Hi ladies, welcome to your virtual facelift part 2. If you are catching me live, please say hi. I'm Sarah Mandrasina. I feel like I haven't been on here live in a while. So I'm excited to come to you tonight because I've heard from a couple of you that you loved the virtual facelift video we did a couple weeks ago, and Mary Kay has just released a new product. So if you are catching me live, say hi. And if you're catching this in replay, type replay. And I'm going to teach you I'm going to show you the new product reveal, and I'm going to teach you how to use it and maybe why you want to use it. We still have the same contouring powders that I talked about a couple weeks ago. They're still awesome and great. They're still available. The difference is what I'm going to be showing you tonight is our new contouring kit. Basically, is 3 products. It is a Get Sculpted contour stick number 1, Get Sculpted number 2, and then rose gold highlighting stick. So there's 3 products. And what's different about this, number 1, is that in the Mary Kay world, they are limited edition. So that means they're only here for this season or until they sell out. So they are not going to be part of our regular line of products. So it's a great product for you to treat yourself this season. If you are interested in contouring and maybe you find this technique to be a little bit easier, or the way it's packaged a little bit easier, that is another reason why you may decide to want to use it for yourself. So let me show you how to use it first. And I want to give you a lot of ways that you can use it, not just for highlighting and contouring, because I love when there's a product that you can use multiple ways. So first, what I want to explain to you is there's 2 sticks. There's 2 sticks. I just dropped the brush. Hold on. There's 2 sticks. There's contour stick sculpted number 1, and there's contour stick number 2. Here's the 1. And here's the 2. You can see the shade difference, okay? Now, if you don't know where to go with this, reach out to me and I will obviously help you with your color. I think we all need both. This is why, because you can use them multiple ways. So if you are fair like me, ivory beige skin tone, you're probably going to do your contouring with Sculpt number 1. And if you are more deeper beige to bronze skin tone, you're going to do your contouring with Sculpting number 2. However, even as fair as I am, I can still use Sculpt number 2. Okay, so let me show you how to use these products. The next thing I'm going to show you is the tools that you would need to give yourself that virtual facelift. And what am I talking about, a virtual facelift? What I'm talking about is basically contouring your skin, contouring your face, gives you an immediate facelift. It enhances your features that you want to enhance, and it slims you out and sculpts you. So who would be a great candidate for that? If you're on Zoom meetings all day, and you just feel like you're staring at yourself and you want to make yourself feel better about yourself. You're not even thinking about who's looking at you, because obviously I personally believe that these are the things you should do to make yourself feel good about how you look and feel in your own skin. And then secondly, like let's say you're having some saggy skin around your neck area or in your chin area. This would be a great technique for you to help sculpt that so that it doesn't look as apparent to you or bothersome to you. It creates a shadow so that you don't look like you have a double chin or sagging skin. So that's another great reason. The other reason is it slims you, so it makes you look thinner. And who doesn't want to look thinner? So that's another great reason. And it's very fun to do. It doesn't take a lot of time. As you can see, I already have a little bit of makeup on. I have foundation, some cheek color left over from this morning. I have a little bit of eyeliner, mascara on. So I wanted to just also show you that you can apply these products in addition to over top of your makeup. So let's say you wanted to sculpt your face later in the day, you can do that as well. So I'm going to start by showing you how to go ahead and do this. So typically speaking, when you contour, you're going to contour under your jawline. So right through here. And the best way to find that, you can see that little indentation right there, is like do that, or just go right above your earlobe, and that is your jawline. That's right under your jawline, okay? So that's where you were going to contour number 1. So I'm just going to go ahead and draw that line just like that, okay? And I'll do it on this side too. Just draw that line under my jawline. Okay, and you can see the line right there on my jawline. Now, how am I going to blend this? The key to doing this is blending. So I want to show you a couple tools that you can use to blend your contour. Number 1 is I personally love using these little mini blending sponges that Mary Kay came out with for holiday. It looks like this. They come in this adorable little set of 4 blending sponges, and I love them because they're the perfect size for something like this. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to blend this with the blending sponge. And all I'm doing is taking this little blending mini sponge and breaking up that line that I just used on my cheek. Okay, I'm just breaking up that line on my cheek and I'm blending it upwards. I don't want to blend it down because I don't want that color going down on too far on my jawline. So I'm blending upwards, and you can see how I already have a contoured jawline right through there. I'm gonna do the same thing over here. The other thing you can use is the blending brush, the Mary Kay Foundation blending brush. This is another great tool to do this. Now, some of you might have these tools, so I want to show you how you can use some of the things you own for different ways. I find the little blending sponges are the easiest because you can really get in there and blend that detailed spot really easily. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the same contour stick and I'm going to blend my forehead right through there. I'm going to apply it through my forehead. I'm going to use that little blending sponge or my blending brush. You can use either one. I just grabbed the sponge and I'm just going to blend it to give me some more depth around my hairline. Okay, so just like that. And just blend, 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 blend. And you can see how that gave me some contour right through there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to contour my jawline. And I'm going to go ahead and use the darker stick for that just to show you that it's not too dark. We're just playing right now. So let's say this is an area that concerns you under your jawline, right through there. You can go ahead and take the contour stick and contour your jawline to give yourself a beautiful shadow so that you don't look as saggy or as droopy skinned, or maybe you even want to round out your jawline more. Maybe you have a square jawline or you have a square face. So that's something you can use to do that. So all I'm doing is just blending that throughout my jawline just like that. You can see it. It created a shadow. And if I wanted to make it darker, I could just do more. So I'm going to put a little bit right here. I mean, this is the lighter stick. I'll use my little blending sponge to show you. So if you don't really have that issue under your jawline, you normally would contour just right here on your jawline, just to kind of give you some more sculpted look. And that's it. That's it for the contour pretty much. So it's super easy. Now, I'm sorry, I missed two important things. Because these contour sticks are matte, they are awesome and easy to use for the nose contour. It's hard to talk and do this. So you just draw 2 lines down the side of your nose, just like that. And then I'm going to take that same little blending sponge, the Mary Kay blending sponge, and I'm going to blend that out. Okay. Now, this is where I'm going to switch over to highlighting and teach you the highlighting parts. I like that these contour sticks, they're really soft and velvety. So they're easy to apply. They're really foolproof. So if you're new to this, I really think you'll find ease in it because it's the tool itself is so easy. And what I like about it is that they are very easy to manipulate. You can see how I just keep blending, blending, blending on my nose there. Okay. Now, what I also like about them is they are matte. So they are not shiny. And that means that they're not going to show any kind of shimmer. If you don't want shimmer in certain spots, I'm going to add a little bit more to the side of my nose to make it look even. And so if you don't like shimmer in certain spots, I love that because they're matte. And typically speaking, contour should be matte. Hey, Sean. Hey, Holly. So that is the contour stick color number 1 and sculpt number 2 as well. Like I said, you can use both of them. I have the sculpt under my jawline right through here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the rose gold highlighting stick. And this is a really beautiful highlighter, and these are retractable. And I'm going to just apply it right here on the apple of my cheek. And you can apply it up your cheekbone as well if you want to. You can go out your entire cheekbone if you want to. Or if you like to have it look more subtle, you can put it right here just in the center of your top of your cheeks, right above your cheek color. So again, I'm just going to take my blending brush or my sponge and just go ahead and blend it through my cheekbone. I'm going to make sure both sides match because I do like that shimmer along my cheekbone like that. So it's right above your cheekbone. And that's where you would highlight your cheeks. You would also go ahead and highlight, this is called your Cupid's bow, right in between your lips. And you would also highlight right above your eyebrows. This helps give you an additional lift to your brows. Now remember, when you're doing highlighting, think of highlighting as you're bringing those things forward, and contouring, you're bringing those things away. Think of contour as you're wearing your sexy black dress and it makes you look slim and lean. And the highlight is going to bring things forward. So it's like wearing the white dress. So that's where, so if you get confused on like where to put these two things, that hopefully will help you keep that in mind as to where to apply them. So now I am finished with the highlight and contour. I did not highlight down the center of my nose with the highlighting stick because this does have a shimmer to it. And I prefer my highlight on my nose to be matte. Just because I already have a little bit of a shine to my nose, and so I prefer it that way. So what I'm doing is I'm going to go ahead and just show you what I do is I use a 2 shades lighter pressed powder or 2 shades lighter of my mineral powder, and I just will go ahead and highlight down my nose that way. Or like I showed you in my past video, you could even use the Biscotti eyeshadow that you have. The Biscotti eyeshadow looks like this white one on top. So that's another option. I'm using the powder because I feel like I look a little shiny today. So that's where I would highlight in the center of my nose. And then I'm also going to go ahead and I think I'm using a brush that has darker color on it. That's a good tip right there. Make sure your brushes are clean. Make sure, I thought I cleaned them. So you want to make sure your brushes are clean so you're not putting darker colors on your face that aren't supposed to be there. So I'm also highlighting right here through the center of my brows, and just kind of think of this as like shooting up little, like I always say, firecrackers shooting up the center of your brows. And again, I'm using the pressed powder because I don't like shimmer in this part of my face. I want this part of my face, center of my nose. I stop it before I get to the tip because I don't want my nose to look larger. And I do through here with matte because I don't like my face looking shiny. And then I'm also going to go ahead and highlight my chin area with the powder. Again, I like to use the powder for that because I don't want my chin shiny. If you don't mind it, then you certainly can use the shimmer stick or the shimmer powder that I showed you weeks ago. So again, if you're just hopping on live, we're talking about the new highlighting contour sticks that Mary Kay just released. They are limited edition, and they come in 2 shades, Sculpt 1, Sculpt 2, and the highlighting stick is called Rose Gold. So here is my tip for you. You can also use them as eyeshadow. And that's why I think we all need both colors, because the eyeshadow option is really beautiful. So hey Denise, so I'm going to go ahead and use the contour stick number 1, and I'm going to apply it right here in the crease of my eye. And again, these are really velvety smooth. You can see how easy that went on and how easy it is to apply it with the stick. I'm taking my Mary Kay crease color brush. I'm hoping it's clean. I think I cleaned it. And I'm just blending it through my crease. Okay, it is a matte color, so if you are concerned about mature eyes, you know, using a matte color is going to be great for that because it will take away that concern you might have with showing parts of your skin that could be popping with shimmer, okay? So there it is as my eyeshadow. So I love an eyeshadow that's just quick, easy, grab and go. So I'm using it as my eyeshadow through my crease of my eyes. So I think this is a great gift for you to gift yourself. I mean, we are in gift giving season, right? But it's a tool that you really can use every single day. These products are something that are not, you know, a special occasion thing. You really can use this every single day. And I think it's a really nice gift to give yourself because it will boost the way you feel about how you're looking on camera or how you're, feeling in general. You can immediately look just more sculpted and slimmer. And, sometimes we just need that, right? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Sculpt number 2, and I'm going to go ahead and create a smokier eye with this one. I also love, what you can see right there, you can also use it as eyeliner. So if you like a dark chocolate eyeliner, you could use it as your eyeliner. So all I did was put a little bit on the outer corner of my eye. I'm taking that same crease color brush, the Mary Kay crease brush, and I'm just blending it to give me a little bit more of a smoky look. If I really wanted to go dark with this, I would put it all over my lid. But I'm going to show you what I'm going to do tonight, just because I want to show you a great way to use both these products. They're very versatile. So there you go. There is a really pretty look on my eye with using both of the contour sticks as my eyeshadow. And then what I can do is take the rose gold. Oh, this needs to be blended more. You can see that line right there? That just means I need to blend it more. Okay. So blending is key when it comes to eyeshadow. And when you feel like you put eyeshadow on and it doesn't look right, most of the time it's a blending issue. So don't panic, just blend. And I'm gonna use this little sponge because I didn't bring down a clean brush to blend my lines with. So there we go, that looks a lot better. So now what I'm gonna do is take the rose gold highlight stick and apply it on my lid, kind of make my lids pop. And I'm also gonna go ahead and apply it right under my brow bone. Because typically speaking, we highlight under the brow bone. So I'm just going to take one of these little blending sponges again. You could use the Mary Kay All Over Shadow brush to do this. There you go. Isn't that pretty? It's a really pretty eyeshadow look, and then I'll touch up my eyeliner and mascara. But that was really easy to do, and I'll show you on this eye. I just used, this is the darker contour stick, Sculpt number 2 it's called. So these products are on my website. You can go ahead and I posted it above if you want to check them out. They are on my website. They just got released. And so if you would like them, just go ahead and comment below or reach out to me. I can put together a contour kit for you based on your needs and what's best for you, and how you would use it. So we can chat about that. But they are each only $14. And as you can see, the versatility it gives, it's a great tool. It's a great gift for yourself. And I also love it for those of you who have daughters. They love contouring. So, if you have, teenage daughters, tween daughters, early 20-year-old daughters, this would be a great stocking stuffer. It would be a great, just a fun little, additional holiday gift. And I have I have it wrapped right here to show you. So this is a cute little gift box with all 3 products inside and a little contour kit. Isn't that cute? So there's my eyeshadow. Isn't that easy? Now, I want to show you one more tip before we finish the night. And typically speaking, I would, do my cheek color. I'm going to skip all that. I just wanted to show you how to use the product. But you can also use this in the center of your lips. This is the highlight stick right here. When you highlight the center of your lips like this, what it does is it gives you that pouty look when you go ahead and apply lipstick. So if you go on my website and you check these out, you're going to notice there's some new lip colors on there. So when you're all going to ask me what this is. This is one of our new matte lip colors. I've been wearing this on a bunch of my videos lately, so here it is. And I'm using the brush to apply it, mainly because I have this highlight on the center of my lips. And I don't want to mix it into my bottle, that's all. But I am just using the Mary Kay smudger brush. It's an eyeshadow smudger brush that you can use to apply lip color with as well. Because it has a nice point to it. You can see how it has the pointed tip. So there you go. Now I need to fix my cheeks. There you go. Okay. So there's the lip color, and you can see how in the center of it has a little bit more of a lighter tint to it, which will help give my lips that more pouty look. So that's another fun thing to do with the highlighting stick. So thanks for watching, ladies. Hey, Joni. Hey, Karen. Hi, Karens. I see lots of Karens on here. So if you are interested in me putting together a contour kit for you or for a gift item, go ahead and direct message me and I will put that together for you and customize it for you. Like I said, I used tonight, let me just show you what I used, the little mini blending sponges that come in a 4-pack. And I used the contour sticks that I have in this little gift box for you. They have the rose gold, contour stick number 2, Sculpt number 2 it's called, and Sculpt number 1 is what I used on my face. And if you don't know what colors are best for you, that's where I come in. I will help customize it, or if you want to be able to use it multiple ways, you can do all 3. Okay, so thanks for watching, ladies. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, and I look forward to answering them. Have a great day and happy sculpting.